Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shade Boo. If you are new here, thank you for clicking this video. I love you. If you've been rocking with me, I love you even more. Listen, I gotta get straight to the point. I was watching Pop the Balloon with Arlette Amuli, and this guy comes on. I don't remember his name. This is episode 61. He comes on. He has on a blue suit. He has on a blue suit. He says his name, his age. He says what he's looking for in a woman, and he also says what his deal breakers are. Right? Everything that he said was T. Right? Was clock it, like they say. So the first girl that's in the lineup popped a balloon as he was talking. And so Arlette said, okay, let's go and see why she popped. He asks him, is she somebody that would be your type? So he says no. So Arlette says, why not? He says, he would say it's her hair. Like he's not, I guess, so much attracted to shorter hair. He likes long hair. He said he would prefer longer hair. I don't know why he said this, but all of the women popped after that. And this one girl, I'm going to put a picture of her right here. She just was rubbing me the wrong way, and she was being the typical, how you call it? She was being the typical black woman, as society likes to say, with like all this attitude and all of this, and you should never comment on a black woman's hair, and that's her roots, and this, that, and the third. This is a show. We're talking about what you initially see, and you're commenting on what's right in front of you. Women have 100 preferences in what they like. I have been watching this show since it started, and I've heard the women say the most dumbest things and why they pop somebody's balloon. And I'm talking about popping on decent men. Decent, very respectable men who have so much going, who have so much that they're bringing to the table that just like can make a big difference in their life if they chose them. Women have said, oh, his jewelry isn't gold. You know, I'm not really a silver fan. He's short. That's the number one. He's short. I like my man a little bit taller. I like my man taller than me when I wear heels. What else they say? I don't like his hair. They say that too. I don't like his hair. I don't like dreads. I don't like the braids. I don't like. So why is it when a man says something about a woman's hair, and he didn't say her hair was ugly, he didn't say her hair was unattractive, he just said his preference, he liked women with longer hair. The girl went and said, listen, if you want respect a black woman's hair, and if you want Becky with the long hair, then go get that. So he said, I'm sorry that you're triggered. Just because he said that he prefers women with longer hair, why are you triggered by that? And what would make you say go get Becky with the long hair? There are millions of black women that have long, beautiful hair. Long, beautiful, thick hair. Because she also made a comment stating, and just to let you know, majority of black women with long hair, because I own a hair salon, the majority of black women that have long hair, their hair is thin. How are you speaking for the majority of millions and millions of black women? What are you talking about? Like, she just was so ignorant in her response, and she was triggered. And I don't think that he said anything wrong, because if me as a woman can sit and say, I don't like bald men, I prefer my man with hair, that would be my preference. Just like he prefers a woman with longer hair. He didn't say nothing wrong, but she freaking annoyed me. So I had to come on here and I had to bring this to y'all attention real quick, because That just didn't make no sense. That didn't make no sense to me. And I feel like Arlette needs to start like holding these women accountable when they're saying ridiculous stuff. Just like they hold the men accountable. It's like the women get to say whatever they want and they get away with so much. And the men, as soon as they say one little thing, oh, I don't really, I like my woman to, you know, have her nails and her feet done. Though it's an uproar. Like everybody goes crazy. That man want a woman who maintains herself and takes pride in how she carries herself and wants her nails and feet done. What's the problem? Like, what is the problem? Some women want a man who get a haircut every week. What's the problem? Like, I don't understand. And if we basing a good man and a good woman based on how somebody looks, you're already doomed. You're already doomed. Because just because a person look good and carrying themselves a certain way, you don't know what it's like to be in a relationship with them yet. Something could be wrong here. Something could be wrong here. Like, you don't know. So people are just so like, that's why a lot of people don't have a man. A lot of women don't have a man. And why a lot of men don't have a woman. So like the pickiness is just ridiculous. But I had to comment on that because that didn't make no sense. Like, for her to get that irate because his preference, just like women have preference, men have preference too. Don't get mad when you hear their preference. Are you mad because their preference wasn't you? Like, what are we really talking about? So yeah, I had to put y'all onto that.